Welcome to Ke Ga Beach. Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is your beach presenter. Welcome to Ke Ga Beach. So hi guys, we are here now out of Vung Tau and we traveled for 3 to 4 hours, and then this is the beach that we found here. Look at this, how unique the rocks, the form of the rocks, and then over there is lighthouse. But before you get to lighthouse, you have to use a boat. Yeah, the local people said here they are over there. That's where you can get a drinks like coconut drink. The form of the rocks is very unique. Now I'm gonna tour you. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the boat that they're gonna use to bring us to the lighthouse. So this is the way, that one from there, and then go here. Go. So this time here in Vietnam, it is summer too. So here, so this is Ke Ga Beach. It's perfect to swim here. Look at that. Okay, so here we are. This is the boat. This is the boat that they use for fishing. And then, oh no, wait, sorry guys. And then this is the boat for going to the lighthouse. I don't know how much you're gonna pay for the boat because it's not that far away, but I think it's cheap because we also bought a coconut juice, and then it's 30 Vietnamese dong. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna tour you here. Close to the rocks. Fish. They have fish here. Looks it's good. It's good to just and crabs. They have crabs. Ooh. So many crabs. Oh my gosh, did you see that, guys? So many crabs. Look. So many crabs. Okay, let's climb on the rocks, and then oh my god. Welcome to Ke Ga Beach. Look at that. So many rocks, and it's unique. How about, okay, I think we need to go back, and then I'm gonna show you there. No, skip that. Let's go back. See that? Flowers. Oh, water is so good. Perfect for swimming. By the way, we just finished eat our lunch over there, because there you can buy something. But let us walk here in the ocean.